Lower back pain in the presence of a lumbosacral transitional vertebra is called Bertolotti Syndrome and an often overlooked cause of pain. The most common type is the unilateral or bilateral enlargement of the L5 transverse process that leads to a pseudarthrosis with the sacrum and/or the ilium. In cases where a test infiltration of the false joint with a local anesthetic has resulted in a temporary, very significant reduction in pain, surgical treatment can be considered. A CT reconstruction of the pseudarthrosis is strongly recommended preoperatively in order to determine the exact anatomy of the enlarged transverse process. However, intraoperative orientation during minimally invasive removal of the false joint can be very challenging. I therefore recommend using intraoperative navigation, for example with a navigated diamond burr, to resect the process. While the enlarged transverse process is being severed, the L5 nerve root that runs beneath the transverse process can also be protected with a dissector. By using navigation, the false joint can be identified and removed with great certainty through a minimally invasive access.